Alright, so if Scribd is not loading on your phone or browser, yeah, that can be really annoying. But most of the time, it's a simple issue you can fix in a few minutes. Let's go step by step. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Try opening another website or app to confirm. Now refresh the page or close and reopen the Scribd app. Yeah, sometimes that alone fixes it. If you're using the app, go to your phone settings and clear the app cache. This removes temporary files causing issues. Make sure your Scribd app is updated to the latest version to avoid bugs or loading problems. If you're on a browser, try switching to another one like Chrome or Firefox. If you're using a VPN, turn it off. It can sometimes block Scribd from loading properly. Sometimes the issue isn't on your side. Scribd servers might be temporarily down. Try logging out of your account and logging back in to refresh your session. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall the app for a clean setup. And yeah, that's how you fix Scribd not loading issues. One of these steps usually solves the problem pretty quickly.